have ratio of three quantities. So we must be able to read and write ratios of the three quantities and apply the concept of equivalent ratios to the ratios of three quantities to simplify. So what do you know how to write a ratio of the three quantities? For example, Anita has 4 red carnations, 8 pink carnations, and 12 yellow carnations. So what is the ratio of the number of red carnation to the number of pink carnation to the number of yellow carnation? So we need to find out how many red carnation. So we have 4, then the pink carnation, 8, and the yellow carnations we have 12. So the ratio will be 4 to 8 to 12. If she puts 4 carnations into each vase, so in one vase we have 4 carnations. So what is the ratio of the number of red carnations to the pink carnations to the yellow carnations? Very good. We have 1 to 2 to 3. So you can see, we can compare any two of the three quantities. For example, the red carnations to the yellow carnations, we have 4 to 12. And if we're going to simplify, we have 1 to 3. To simplify the ratio, we divide the numbers by the common factor. 4 to 8 to 12, the common factor is 4. So we're going to divide each number into 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the simplified ratio is 1 to 2 to 3. Another example, we have cubes, yellow, blue, and green. What is the ratio of the number of yellow cubes to the number of blue cubes and to the number of green cubes? So we need to count first the yellow cubes. We have 4. Next will be the blue cubes, 2. And the green cubes we have 6. So the ratio 4 to 2 to 6. What if we're going to group the cubes into 2? What is the ratio of the number of yellow cubes to the number of blue cubes to the number of green cubes? Just count the number of groups of yellow. So we have 2. How many group of blue? We have 1. And how many group of green? We have 3. So we have the ratio 2 to 1 to 3. So the ratio in its simplest form is 2 to 1 to 3. How to simplify ratios of three quantities? So, for example, 15 to 12 to 18. So we're going to divide the numbers by the common factor. 3 is a common factor of 15, 12, and 18. So it means we're going to divide 3 to the numbers. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. The simplified ratio 5 to 4 to 6. Another example, 12 to 8 to 20. What is the common factor of the ratio? So common factors, we have 2 and 4. It is much better if we're going to use 4. So we're going to use 4. We're going to divide 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the simplified ratio, 3 to 2 to 5. To this lesson, we learned how to write a ratio of three quantities and how to simplify the ratio of three quantities. To sum up our lesson, to write a ratio of three quantities, just count the number of pieces of things respectively. Separate them by a colon. To simplify ratios of three quantities, just divide each number by the common factor.